How's it going? Anyways, a couple days ago I started moving stuff. That grand piano over there, my camera, my DJI Pocket 2 wants to follow me around. Let's see, how do I disable that? I gotta learn this damn camera. Okay, that's FPV. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that grand piano over there, beautiful grand piano, was here. And what we have here is my new studio. Well, it's my old studio that I put back together. And I got a couple million hits in the last few weeks, a couple million page views on my YouTube channel, monetized channel, and it gave me some. Anyways, so you see a kind of a mess here, but actually look how organized everything is in there. Look at that. Everything's nice and organized in little compartments and whatnot. And so I got tools out still, and I've just carpet cleaned this whole, well, I'm almost done. And you got that blonde carpet. And anyways, like I say, that piano was here, and this was over there where the piano is. So I cleaned this, carpet clean this part, carpet clean that part, carpet clean this part, and what you see down there is what I got to do right now. It's what time is it? It's 9:38 p.m. Long day. Did some excavating today, also. But anyways, okay. So this chair here, I got this at Office Depot. Now, $119, $259 chair. They always say that. And anyways, right here, the bolt broke out, and so I have a 5-year guarantee. And I called them up, and they said, "Okay, we'll send you one in 3 or 4 months." And they were almost like gleeful about telling me that. It was just unreal. Anyways, so I thought, okay. So anyways, I found this thing here because I'm going to sell this house here. We're moving on to our 31-acre ranch. We have a lake and a pond on it. And so anyways, I bought this. It's just, I think I paid, look at that, $82 for this chair, and there it is right there. And I'm going to put it together. Definitely not going to buy any more chairs from Office Depot. 3 or 4 months to get a part for it. Yeah, okay. 5-year warranty. But it's just not kind of a cheap, it's $259 chair they're saying, so it looked like a nice chair. This one here, we'll see how it is. I'm sure it can't be any worse, $82. But not a bad deal for a temporary chair if you're in a quick fix, because I'm going to be moving into an RV onto my 31 acres, and I'm going to be building about a 3,500, 4,000 square foot barn, and then I'm going to be building my house. Actually, I'm going to build 3 houses, and so I still got to. We're going to clean the carpet on this side, and over there I got everything piled up, and then this room will look pretty spiffy. All of our beautiful original paintings that we have collected from some local artists, and we got a couple of famous artists too, but. Anyways, on our YouTube channel, we're going to show. Oh, there's my lovely wife right there. And anyways, if you could see out the side there, you'd see beautiful pine trees and mountains, and that's where we live, out on the edge of the world. So, anyways, like I say, I started this project a couple of days ago, and I'm putting together the chair right now, and hopefully within a couple of days I'll be done with this, because tomorrow I got to work on some cars. I'll post those videos too. I'm getting behind on posting, but we'll get her done. Thanks for watching. Hey, subscribe too, by the way, and like, share, all that good stuff. Okay, I'm going to be putting this chair together. It's a OFM ESS collection Plush Microfiber office chair from Amazon for $82. I've seen it for $130 on other stores, so I thought this was a pretty good deal. And I'm going to get this put together. So right now I'm snapping in the legs. Pretty simple. It's got instructions, and the instructions basically are in 6 steps. Okay, yeah. And so that was the first thing I did, put those in. And then it says to flip that over like that, grab the piston. And then probably goes in there, yeah, that's where that goes. I got that there, so I've done step 2. Now step 3, this is the pain in the neck step here. You gotta scoop this stuff out of the way. This probably goes on top of that. There, I'll just set it there for a second. Out of the way. Grab this. Put that there. Okay, so they give you this here whole toolkit, and it has some bolt plugs. It's got 9 of them, and it's got all these little in there a hex head. And so instead of using the Allen wrench, I'm gonna go ahead and open up these here without cutting myself. Very sharp knives. And those together. Those together. We'll separate these 2 over here. Pull that apart. Toss that Allen wrench. Got plenty of Allen wrenches. And we'll come over here to my little Craftsman supply kit right here. And good old DeWalt. And let's find us a hex for that. That's a star bit. And the hex. There we go. That's way too big. Okay. Looks like we're down to here. Right, here we go. Is that it? That'll work. It's a star, but it'll work. Good enough for government work, right? Okay, so we're going to take J bolts, J and H bolts. Okay. Okay, H bolts. There's 8 of them. One has 8. So that would be this one here. And then they go, all the 8 bolts, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And that looks pretty simple. So, what is the inside and what is the outside? I would say that is the outside. So this here is probably, well, that goes just like that. Yeah, okay. Let's take out this here. Let's put that in. Make sure I don't have it on drill mode so I don't strip anything, which I did. Okay. Sometimes it's better to start these by hand, but if you know what you're doing. Front, definitely the front. So up on the edge. So if we can't get these finger tightened this time. These 8. These aren't the stripped ones. This back one was the one that was giving me the grief. I can see right straight down into it. That's perfect. Don't That's the long screw. Yeah, there we go. All right, gonna go on hyperlapse here. A zippity da, a doopity da, a zippity da, doopity da, da, ba na 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 da da, a rippa da ba da ba da ba doopity ba ba bee ba da ba doopity da ba ba, a rippa bip 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 dip, a rippa bip 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 da, a rippa da ba doopa da ba dee ba ba, a rippa da ba doop da ba dee da da ba ba da da da. Da 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 da. A rippa da ba doo da ba ba ba. A da ba da ba da ba da ba dee da da. A rippa da ba dee ba da ba dee na ma. A zippa da na. A zippa da na. A rippa da 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 ba. A rippa dee da da ba da go da ba da. A rippa da 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 ba ba. A rippa da 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 ba da da dee da 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 da. Okay. So, I got this here chair all done, and I think I like it. I really think I do. Goes way up. It's got lots of sponge to it. Oh, it relaxes. You can kick back, and it'll drop down lower. So, anyways, yeah, that was pretty cool. So, when you're putting this thing together, make sure you just put it together all loose, all the bolts loose, because they're not quite lined up right, especially when you tweak it. If you've got it tight, you're gonna have a hard time getting the nuts in. And so, the bolts in, excuse me. And I did strip one, just to show you that. But they give you an extra one, so that was kind of cool. And I do have a, what do you call it, a tap and die to fix that if I needed to, and they gave you another bolt for the frame, so they know people have been stripping bolts. These things are mass produced, but it really is nice. It's a material. It's not leather. My other one's leather. They're going to send me that one over there. Oh, I do that, flip that thing. That's kind of nice. So yeah, that one over there. They're going to send me the cushion in three months, maybe, if I'm lucky. So this one here. Nice little $82 get me by until my leather one gets fixed again. And I got 3 more years left on the warranty, and it lasted 2 years. It was rated for 300 pounds. I'm 210 pounds. And we'll see. We'll see. And I think this one will be just fine. It'll get me through till we sell the house and I move into my new office and my new ranch, and everything will be fine. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Again, this is an Amazon Prime chair, $88. I saw it for $130 at Wayfair. I was going to order it from Wayfair, and then I just said, well, let me check. And it had a different name, same damn chair, $50 cheaper. So, hope I saved you some money.